Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be all about refreshing your curls, whether you have a TWA or you have mid-length or you have bra length or whatever length you got. This is all about refreshing your curls. So if you're interested in seeing the steps that I use to refresh my TWA, keep watching. So I usually sleep with a satin pillowcase or a satin bonnet. So in this case, you see I have my bonnet on. So of course, my first step is to remove my bonnet. So that's what I'm doing. Now, usually when I wake up, my curls are a little bit flat. Well, not a little bit. They are definitely flat. Most on the sides, because the top, of course, when I'm sleeping, I'm not sleeping on top of my head. So the sides will be flat, and then the back would be flat as well. So what I like to do before I add any type of product or liquid or anything to my hair, I like to just go in with my fingers and just pull it out a bit. Imagine almost using your afro pick, but instead you're using your fingers. So now that I've done that, the next step is, of course, now to revive my curls with some sort of liquid. So I like to go in with only water and conditioner. Literally only water and conditioner. I do not use any other products to refresh my curls unless I am feeling like I want to add a product in. But it's only water and conditioner. Now you can use water if you don't feel like adding conditioner to your spray bottle, whatever you have to spray your hair with, but for me, I like to just add conditioner in. So have my bottle all set, and I use lukewarm water. You can use any type of water if it's cold, if it's hot. I doubt you want it piping hot, but I have my water bottle. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that all around. I don't want it to be too damp, but I do want to make sure that I'm getting enough of the water all over my head. So as I'm doing whatever else I'm doing, whether that's doing my makeup, getting dressed, getting something to eat, I always make sure that I have the water on my hair, so that way no matter what I'm doing, it's getting into the curls and drying as I'm doing something else. I like to go in with my edges and just take away all that product that was there before. The reason for that is I'm gonna go back in and add the product again that I used to lay my edges, and I don't want too much product buildup and I don't want any white residue. So by removing it each day, then it makes it look a little bit more cleaner and forms well, and also I won't have any product buildup. Alright, so I went ahead and I wiped all of the product that was laying my edges down completely off. And oh, just a little quick tip. So if you are restyling your hair, refreshing your hair, whatever the case is, and then you're about to do your makeup, I suggest wiping your edges and then laying your edges completely before you do your makeup. And the reason for that is if you do your makeup beforehand, then when you go to add the edge control, whatever edge control you use, it's going to smudge your makeup, and also you're gonna have like your makeup and the product mixed in together, and it can just get really messy really quick, and when it dries, it's gonna dry weird. So do your edges first and then do your makeup. That way it looks completely clean and you don't have to worry about anything looking like messy, cakey, or whatever it is. So before we get into laying our edges, I actually want to try this new product that I have. I got this at an event. It is Aveda's Rinseless Refresher, and you can use this on your hair, you can use this on your scalp. This is what it looks like. That's enough of this product. I just really wanted to try it out. So I'm going to be using my Style Factor Edge Booster. Now, if you guys have been following me, you know that I found this bad boy right here, fell in love with it. It keeps my edges down all day into even the next day, as you saw when I first had my headscarf on and didn't wipe it away. Like, this gives you a strong hold. So if you are looking for a great edge control, definitely try out Style Factor's edge booster, and they have different scents. This one I'm going to use is the coconut banana scent because it is my favorite. but I also purchased a pineapple scent as well. But they have a ton of different scents, so you can choose which one you like. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I can't remember the cost of it, but it wasn't too expensive. So this is the size that I have, and a little goes a long way with this product, so you definitely do not need a lot. So now with my edge control brush, I am going to start shaping. So start with the middle and then I'll work my way around. Okay, so I finished laying my edges. So now what I like to do is run my fingers through my hair to get any of the excess water or product out, and then also go with my hairline and just kind of like finger coil each curl that's along the hairline that I feel like is frizzy or out of place. And I kind of just use this kind of motion because I really don't want to flatten any curls. I just want to get that product out. I used previously Curl's Cashmere and Caviar hair jelly. This is one of their latest products. It's not new, it came out for a while now. But I absolutely love using this product. It has a great smell and it has a good hold as well. So well, there you have it. This is how I refresh my hair every single day in order to keep it looking cute and neat throughout the week. Ooh, that all rhymed. Cute and neat throughout the week. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a major thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can stay in tune with all my new videos. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye guys.